In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Facebook from all devices. This is especially useful if you've ever signed in on a shared computer, lost a phone, or just want a clean slate for security. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. Sign in by entering your email and your password, then click Log In. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that opens, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This takes you to Facebook's main settings area where deeper controls live. On the left side, click See More in Account Center. The Account Center is Meta's hub for features that span across services, and it's where Facebook has grouped key security tools. In Account Center, select Password and Security. Under the Security Check section, click where you're logged in. If you see more than one account listed here, choose your Facebook account to proceed so you're viewing the correct activity. You'll now see a detailed list of every device currently signed into your account: phones, tablets, and browsers, often with locations and recent activity times. Take a moment to scan this list so you can recognize familiar devices. When you're ready, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Select Devices to log out. On the next screen, there's a Select All option. Click that to mark every session for removal. If you prefer to stay signed in on the browser you're using right now, you could leave that one unchecked, but for this walkthrough, we'll sign out everywhere to make sure nothing is left behind. With the session selected, click the Logout button at the bottom. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Log Out again to confirm. Facebook will now end those sessions. It may take a few moments for the change to propagate, especially on devices that aren't online at this exact moment. After this, anyone using one of those old sessions will be taken back to the login screen and you'll regain full control over where your account is active. That's all it takes to log out of Facebook from all devices. The layout you see might vary slightly depending on updates, but the labels and path are the same. After logging out everywhere, remember that any device you use next will prompt you to sign in again. Keep your login details private and only enter them on facebook.com. Thanks for watching and take care of your account security.